In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install the IntelliTrack mobile app for Android. The first thing to ensure is that your mobile computer, Android-based mobile computer, is connected to the internet via wireless or cellular. And the easiest way to download the application onto your device is actually through your IntelliTrack account. So open up a web browser, in this case the Chrome browser on my device, and we would go to https://system.intellitrack.com. And that brings us to our login page where we can enter our username and password. Go ahead and click the checkmark button. That will log us into our account. I've already done that. I'm going to open up a different tab that's behind the one I was just showing you. And I'm logged into a demo account here for purposes of this video. And this is our desktop browser application, but I'm simply accessing it and showing it to you through an Android mobile computer. And so from the main home screen of your account, you would want to choose Portable and then Download Mobile Application. And you're presented with a list of different clients that you can choose to install. In this example, we're going to want to install the first one that's in the list, which is Universal Android 4.4 and up. I click on the blue download button over to the right, and the browser warns me, are you sure you want to keep this file? And I was going to say, okay, I do. It downloads very quickly. You can see that it's already there, and I could click the open button that's available. That disappears. So I want to show you the other way to get at that file is to come back to your home screen, open up your application list, and every manufacturer includes some type of file explorer that allows you to browse the folders and directories that are on the device. In this case, we have an application called File Manager. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. I've got my root directory. I'm going to, when I downloaded that APK file for IntelliTrack, it went into the download folder. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the download folder, and there's the APK file. To install the IntelliTrack mobile app, this is the APK file is what I need to do that. I simply tap on it. It asks me, are you sure you want to install this application? And I tap on the install button in the bottom right. And it begins the installation process. And once this is completed, which happens pretty quickly, I can go ahead and say open or done. I'm going to choose done for now. I'm going to hit the home button. And if I scroll up on my list, I've got the application right there available for me to tap on and launch. The application launches for the first time, and it's going to bring us to our login screen, where now we would log in with the proper credentials, username and password, to access the IntelliTrack mobile app that's just got installed on this device. If I hit the home button, I'm going to show you one other thing that I think is a useful capability here, which is to add a shortcut to the home screen. And you can do that by simply opening up the application list, tapping and holding IntelliTrack, and it will bring you back to the main screen here. And you can then go ahead and locate and drop the icon on the home screen, so it's easier to launch the IntelliTrack mobile app. So, last thing I'd like to show you is that periodically in IntelliTrack we release updates to our application. And it is a best practice that before you install or download and install one of the updated APK file, which we just showed you, it's a best practice to uninstall the previous version. And that process is very easy to do on Android. You simply tap and hold the application. You get a menu above that appears where you can remove app info or uninstall. So you simply drag the icon, hold it, and when you get over above the uninstall option, you let go of the icon, and that will start the uninstall process. I would say OK, and the app is now uninstalled. It's that easy.